मुल्क के दारुल हुकूमत दिल्ली में एयरक्राफ्ट एक्सीडेंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन ब्यूरो के ज़ेर एहतमाम इंडियन एविएशन एकेडमी में हवाई जहाज़ के हादसात में इंसानी अवामिल पर कौमी हिफाजती सेमिनार का इनकाद अमल में आया। इस सेमिनार में मरकज़ी वज़ीर शहरी हवाबाजी राम मोहन नायडू ने बतौर मेहमान खुसूसी शिरकत की। सेमिनार में हवाई जहाज़ के हादसात में इंसानी अवामिल की शिराकत और उनको ख़त्म करने के तरीके पर तवज्जो मरकूज की गई। इस तकरीब से मरकजी वजीर राम मोहन नायडू ने खिताब किया।
And all the esteemed guests and officers that are present here for an important inaugural seminar that has been conducted for AIB. A pleasant morning to each and every one of you, and I warmly welcome to the seminar also. And as we gather here today, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to the AIIB for organizing this seminar on contribution of human factors in aircraft accidents and methods to eliminate. I think engaging in such discussions among stakeholders spanning flight operations, air navigation, maintenance, ground support, it all collectively brings us one step closer to identifying the root cause of incidents and also developing actionable recommendations to prevent further accidents. I believe ensuring continued safety of our skies is the foremost responsibility shared by all stakeholders that are present here. And let it be scheduled or non-scheduled operators, MRO companies, flight training organizations, DGCA, AI, AIB, BCAS, all, in fact, the Air Force, everyone. I think it is a collective responsibility of all of us to ensure that the skies are safer and secure for the passengers who are traveling.